So good morning everyone. It's 6:54 in the morning here in Ivana, Batanes. I'm right here at the Port of Ivana, right across the church, simbahan ng Ivana. 6:54. If you want to cross, wait a minute. If you want to cross Sabtang, this is one of the ports that you can board a boat. As you can see, 6:54. There's a lot of people already. So hopefully you've made a reservation a day before or in advance. So they're gonna check your name, make sure your name is listed, and then you pay for the terminal fee, 5 pesos. 5 pesos ho, no? 5 pesos per person, and then I guess you pay for the fee in Sabtang once you arrive in Sabtang.
It's ready.
Here's the waiting area. So we're at the port of Ivana. We're gonna cross the channel and go to the island of Sabtang. The sea is pretty calm, so that's the boat that we're gonna be riding on. They're just loading the merchandise, and after loading, the passengers go in. See, there's a caravan. It's a nice day. The sea is calm. It's gonna be a nice day. Again, good morning here from here in Ivana, Batanes. Thank you.
Idil lang tayo, sir. Apat.
Idil. Merchandise going to Sabtang.
Dapat sa tawa.
Here. Thomas. senior citizens on board. There's Batan first. Ilang minutes yun?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Alright, so we're off. We just left Port Ivana on our way to the island of Sabtang, just across the channel. We're aboard MV Thomas with about, I don't know, I would say probably about 50 to 60 passengers. And you got 4 motorcycles in front, which I showed how they loaded. It's a 30-minute ride, so I will see you in 30 minutes. We're about 5 minutes in. Those are some big shopping. I noticed one. You see the captain. The captain is steering the boat and it's good. It's good at going right and left. Alright, so 30 minutes after we're here in the Port of Sabtang. So once your boat arrives, you check in, put your name in. So once you check in, and you have the tricycles waiting for you. Yeah, you're all lined up. So once you arrive at Sabtang, there's a lot of tricycles going around, and the tricycles are waiting for you. You can see the lighthouse right there. It's about a 30-minute boat ride from the Port of Ivana.